Hello and welcome. This is Angie with thecountrysheetcottage.net, here today with another Cricut Basics video. So our Cricut Basics series are small, short videos that cover the basics of Cricut Design Space. So today we're going to talk about mirroring your cut. So when you mirror your cut, that means to turn whatever image you have up in Cricut Design Space that you're going to cut, to flip it and turn it backwards. So first let's talk about why you would want to mirror your cut. You need to mirror your cut anytime that whatever you want to put on your surface is face down on the mat. So whenever you put your material face down, you go in and mirror the cut before you actually cut in Cricut Design Space. So this is especially important for things like heat transfer vinyl and iron-on, which always need to be mirrored basically because you're always putting that surface that's against the mat onto your material like a shirt. It's also important when you're cutting something like wood, where the best cut you're going to get is what is against the mat. So you want that to be the surface that you use in your project because you always want to have the best cut for the surface that actually is showing within your project. So now let's head to Cricut Design Space. Let's take a look at how to mirror those cuts, and then you'll be ready to cut heat transfer vinyl, iron-on, wood, and so much more with your Cricut machine. When you're in Design Space, click Make It, and then the project will pull up on the mat. Then you just need to click the Mirror button, and the image will mirror. Make sure it's actually mirrored on the mat itself, and then you can continue with the cutting. So it's super easy, right? So Cricut Design Space makes it super easy to just mirror that cut. Now we were on the computer in Cricut Design Space looking at that, but you can also do this in the app as well. Mirroring your cut on any of the applications for Cricut Design Space is super simple. So pick up your material, get started on your projects, and mirror those cuts whenever you put your material face down on the mat. If you enjoyed this video and learned something, be sure to give us a thumbs up. If you haven't already, head on over to our YouTube channel and subscribe. You will love all of the Cricut videos we have. Scroll back, watch a few, I'm sure you'll love them. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns about anything you've seen in this video, drop a comment below and I'll be happy to answer those as well. If you want to drop any questions below you have about your Cricut in general, I'll be happy to drop you a link to another video, or I will make a video maybe in the future or just answer your question in the comments. So feel free to drop those below as well. So thank y'all so much for joining me today, and I'll see you next week with a Cricut video. Thanks y'all. Bye-bye.